Let's take a look now at animating text, but instead of it doing it by animating it essentially through fireworks, we're going to do this frame by frame. And here we're going to go ahead and type in by close. Okay, and we'll just go ahead and bring this now over here. And I have some editing to do in here. And I'll make sure this is capitalized here. And if I want, I can make it black to make it stand out. Now, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this simply by copying it. But instead of doing it in frame 1, I'm going to do it in frame 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, and I'll make sure this is arranged and brought to the front in each of these. So I actually want this to go to the back. And notice the reason why it actually is like this is because it is a animated GIF. So let's go ahead and play this. Notice I have a flashing now. Okay. Now let's say we thought this flashing was a little bit too rough. So we could go ahead and delete each one on all our odd numbers, and every 4 frames we could put it in. Okay, so we could do that as well. And notice if we play this, we could stop it, put it inside of here, and instead of this being black, we can make it gray. We could do the same for 3, we could put it in again, and instead of this being black, we can make it white, or some other kind of color, like, for example, a light gray. Okay, and notice if we play this, we can actually keep doing that for all of these. So again, we can make this a darker kind of gray, put it in here, a lighter gray, here could be back to the darker gray. Make sure we have it in all of our frames. Okay, we have that. Okay, there we go. Let's go ahead and view this now. And notice we have a nice little animation here. Also, this pink thing is actually kind of getting in the way. What we could do, let's go ahead and play this. Make sure it doesn't get in the way here. I could select the properties for this. And I could also see I can maneuver this as well. So notice I could actually maneuver what's going on here. I could add some inner glow, for example, and notice it'll do just that. And there we go. Alright, and here we can actually make this 100%, and notice it will do just that. Let's keep it at 20. Over here we'll keep this at 20, and this one, why don't we keep this at 75. So we see how to animate text frame by frame. Now let's go ahead and view how to animate text in a more efficient style, which would be by creating tweens. And notice we have our by close 50% off here. Looks kind of different. Let's go ahead and save this now, and we'll go ahead and name this banner. So go ahead and create a new folder, and this will be banner, and we'll save this inside of here. Okay, and I'll save it. Now let's go ahead and see how to animate text in more of a logical way.